Recording.
So, my name is Sam, this is my 911 and I wanted to build an RWB. Time to replace the valve cover gaskets on both sides of the engine. I thought I'd do it because it's just a good idea to do the engines out, so it's really easy to do. I went to Porsche and picked up valve covers, gaskets for both sides. So let me show you how we fit them on this 964. So, I got the gaskets off, I got the valve covers off, got the gaskets off. I'm going to cover up these ports, going to go over with a little fine wire wool, we're going to clean all this up, ready for the new gaskets to go on. Right, so that's the valve cover off. I'm going to remove the gaskets and I'm going to use some brake cleaner and give it a real thorough clean before fitting it back onto the engine. Okay, so I cleaned up the surfaces, ready for the new gaskets. I cleaned up the valve cover, so it's just a case of putting everything back together and torquing up the nuts. So, valve cover gasket's done, now just to do the other side, and that's it. Really easy on a 964.